Today, we'll show you how to replace the charging IC, also known as the U2 IC, on an iPhone 7. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. First, we will disconnect the display connector and take out the logic board. Next, we will remove the black cover from the top. Now, we will place two shields on both sides of the IC so that other ICs are not affected while heating with the hot air gun. Now, we will heat it with the hot air gun and remove the IC. Now, we will do some soldering on the IC socket using a soldering iron, and then clean it properly with soldering wick. After cleaning, we will place the new IC and fix it in position by heating it with a hot air gun. Then we will connect the logic board back to the phone and attach the display connector. That's it. Thanks for watching.